Many projects, though not all, are initiated based on business case. Projects may be initiated due to any identified need to deliver or modify a process, product, or service, such as contracts, statement of work, or other documents. In all cases, project intent is to provide the desired outcome that addresses the need with a valued solution. A business case can contain information about strategic alignment, assessment of risk exposure, economic feasibility study, return on investments, expected key performance measures, evaluations, and alternative approaches. The business case may state the intended value contribution of the project outcome in qualitative or quantitative terms, or both. A business case contains at least supporting and interrelated elements like a business need, which provides the rationale for the project, explaining why the project is undertaken. It originates with the preliminary business requirements, which are reflected in the project charter or other authorizing document. It provides details about the business goals and objectives. The business need may be intended for the performing organization, a client organization, a partnership or organizations, or public welfare. A clear statement of the business need helps the project team understand the business drivers for the future state and allows the project team to identify opportunities or problems to increase the potential value from the project outcome. Another could be elements to ensure project justification would include project justification connected to business need. It explains why the business need is worth the investment and why it should be addressed at this time. The project justification is accompanied by a cost benefit analysis and assumptions. A business strategy is an important element as well. Business strategy is the reason for the project, and all needs are related to the strategy to achieve the value. The project business case is a documented economic feasibility study used to establish the validity of the benefits of a selected component lacking sufficient definition, and that is used as a basis for the authorization of further project management activities. The business case lists the objectives and reasons for project initiation. It helps measure the project success at the end of the project against the project objectives. The business case is a project business document that is used throughout the project life cycle. The business case may be used before the project initiation and may result in a go/no-go decision for the project. A needs assessment often precedes the business case. The needs assessment involves understanding business goals and objectives, issues, and opportunities and recommending proposals to address them. The results of the needs assessment may be summarized in the business case document. Can you identify a business case of your project? Think back on the project you are working on and imagine the reasons it may have been initiated because of. Let me know in your comments. If you're still unsure how to identify the business case of your project, I will try and help you out. See you in the next lecture.